Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to share your Behance profile link. First, log into your account. Once inside, on the top right corner, go to your profile icon, then go to Behance profile section. Now for here, to have your URL profile, simply click on this URL field and then go and copy your link. Now you can share it to others. For example, I'm gonna share it on Gmail. So just go and compose a mail. Then type in the email of the person where you want to share it with. And then you can go ahead and paste in the link that you just copied. Now, you can also share it to other platforms as much as you'd like to, because if they go to another window, and then if they go and paste in the link you copied, then press enter, that will lead them to your Behance profile. Now, through this sharing, you will be able to showcase yourself to attract more clients. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.